You believe today is happening right now. You believe yesterday is gone and tomorrow doesn't exist yet. You feel that time is flowing like a river, carrying you from birth to grave. But what if I told you that in the eyes of the most fundamental laws of physics, there is no difference between the past and the future? What if the now that you're experiencing is just a psychological trick, a biological illusion? Right now, Albert Einstein, your fifth birthday, and the heat death of the universe are all happening simultaneously. A giant frozen block of reality. Today we are not asking what time is. We are asking if time exists at all. Welcome back to Point Shunya. You are watching the 5th episode in the Sprint series where we try to answer some of the biggest questions of the cosmos within 2 weeks on every alternate days. In the last few videos, we've explored the where and the who. Today, we tackle the when. If you are ready to have your perception of reality shattered, hit that subscribe button and stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you will never look at the clock the same way. To our brains, time is linear. Newton thought of it as a universal stage, a master clock in the sky ticking at the same rate for everyone. But Einstein ruined that party. Imagine you have a twin and you stay on Earth, but your twin flies to the nearest star nearly at the speed of light. You're 80 years old, grey and tired, but your twin, they are still just 25. This isn't science fiction. It's actually called time dilation. This proves time is rubbery. It stretches and squeezes depending on how fast you move and how much gravity is pulling you. If time can be manipulated, how can it be the fundamental truth? Enter the block universe theory. Think of the universe not as a 3D space that changes over time, but as a 4D block where time is just another dimension like height or width. In this block, every moment, the Big Bang, the moment you're watching this video, the end of the universe are all there. Look at your hand right now. You feel like you're present. But if an alien 10 billion light years away from us started walking away from you, their slice of now could include Earth's past, perhaps the era of dinosaurs. If now depends on where you are and how you move, then there's no universal now. The past isn't gone. It's just a different coordinate of the 4D block. Before continuing, let me tell you about a workshop that I have designed to make you self-dependent. It's a short and crisp workshop with 3 lectures, 20 minutes each lecture, where we go deep into 6 ways of making money using AI. From running a faceless YouTube channel to designing an entire website of your own, we learn every process step by step here. And considering it's a pre-recorded workshop, you can learn these methods at any time of your convenience. At the end of the workshop, you'll also be getting a certificate of completion, which you can of course attach with your resume. First 200 people signing up for the workshop through this video are going to get it just at rupees 199. So sign up now through the link in the description and I'll see you on the other side. Now, let's continue. If physics says time can go both ways, why can you remember the past and not the future? Why does an egg break and not unbreak? The answer is entropy, the second law of thermodynamics. The universe goes from order to chaos. Time is just a name we give to the increasing messiness of the universe. Imagine a movie reel. Individual frames don't really move. But when you run them through a projector, you get an illusion of motion. Our consciousness is the projector. We are smearing our perception across the frames of the block universe. Now let's go to the point shunya, the point zero. At the level of quantum mechanics, time might not even be a thing. Some physicists like Carlo Rovelli argue that time is actually an emergent property. Just like temperature isn't a real thing, it's just the movement of atoms. Time might just be a macro-scale illusion caused by the ignorance of the micro-scale quantum world. At the base layer of reality, time is zero. So is time an illusion? If illusion is something that appears different from what it actually is, then yes. Time is not a river. It's a landscape. And we are just travelers through it. Does this make your life a little less meaningful? No. It makes it eternal. In the block universe, the moments that you spend with the people that you loved in the past are not gone. They are carved forever in the fabric of space-time. They exist at their coordinates forever. If you were unfortunate and you lost your grandparents somewhere and you loved them a lot, then just remember somewhere in that fabric of space-time, that memory is still there. it's not lost in the past. You aren't a flash in the pan, you are a permanent feature of the universe. I am Shruti and this was Point Shunya. What if death isn't the end, but a reset? If time is a dimension, can we move backwards? See you in the next slice of reality. Until then, don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe.